Theorem 1, basic proportionality theorem, Cahill theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it divides sides in the same ratio. This is your theorem 1 from similar triangles. So first we draw a triangle. Suppose this is your triangle. This is your triangle ABC, suppose. So take a straight line PQ which is parallel to BC. So given here, given PQ parallel BC. BC is any sides of the triangle ABC. So PQ is parallel to BC. You have to prove AP by PB, AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. So construction. So now let join PC and BQ. Let us join PC and BQ. Join PC and BQ and draw a perpendicular QN on AP, that is QN is perpendicular to AP. Now take two triangles, one is APQ, another is PQB. So area of triangles, now prove. Area of triangle APQ, area of triangle APQ by area of triangle PQB. Why you take these two triangles APQ by PQB? Because if you take this APQ by PQB, then you will get AP by PB. So area of triangles APQ is equal to half base into height, half base, here base is equal to AP into height means QN. Similarly, area of triangle PQB is equal to what? PQB. So half base is equal to PB, and height means perpendicular distance from the vertex. Here PQB, this is your base PQ, and this is your Q point will be vertex. So this will be your height. NQ will be your height. NQ or QN same. Okay, so QN or NQ same, cancel out, half of cancel out, therefore AP by PB. This is equation 1. So now take another two triangles, that is now area of triangle APQ by area of triangle PQC. Let draw a perpendicular P and S to AQ. Okay, therefore and here and P and S perpendicular AQ. So area of triangles APQ is equal to what? Half base into height, half base is equal to AQ into height is equal to P and S. Height is equal to what is the height? APQ, P and S is the height. If you take this is your base AQ, then height will be P and S. So and area of triangle PQC is equal to what? Half base is equal to QC. This is your base. If this is your base, this point from point P, this is your vertex. From point P, you draw a perpendicular to AQ. This is your height P and S. So half base means here QC and height means P and S. So P and S cancel out, half of cancel out, that is AQ by QC. This is your equation 2. Now triangle PQB, that is PQB and triangle PQC. Triangle PQ in triangle PQB and QBC, both are lying in the same base PQ and on the same parallel line BC and PQ. Therefore area of this triangle, two triangles will be equal. In triangle PQB and PQC, the two triangles have same base PQ and they are lying in the same parallel line PQ and BC. Therefore area of this triangle and this triangle will be same. So in triangle PQB and triangle PQC, they are lying, they lie in the same base. What is the same base? That is PQ. Same base PQ. This is PQB and this is PQC. Okay, same base PQ and same parallel line. What is the same parallel? PQ and BC. Therefore the area of the triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. PQB is equal to PQC. This is area of triangle. This is area of triangle PQC is equal to PQB. Since the area of this is your equation, suppose this. From equation 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, that is 1 is equal to area of triangle APQ, that is APQ by area of triangle PQB, that is PQB. Here from this triangle, this is equation 1 area of triangle APQ by area of triangle PQB. Equation 1 is equal to AP by BP, and equation 2 is equal to what? Area of triangle APB by area of triangle PQC. Here area of triangle AQB, area of triangle APQ, area of triangle APQ same. And again from equation 3, here is equation 3. From equation 3, these triangles area are same. Which triangles? PQB, here also PQC. So left hand side, this equal to this and this also equal to this. Therefore left hand side of the equation 1 and 2 will be same. Therefore right hand side will be same. Therefore from equation 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, we can write AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. That is your ultimate aim. AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. Proved. Very important theorem. So let us again, this is again tell ABC is a triangle in which PQ parallel BC. Since PQ parallel BC, you have to prove AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. You have to prove given PQ parallel BC. So first you take APQ and PQB, two triangles. Okay. So area of this triangle APQ is equal to half base into height. Area of this triangle PQB is equal to half base into height. Half into height is same for both the triangles. Height is same. QN for the triangle APQ and QN also for the triangle PQB. Therefore half height will be cancelled out, only AP by PB. Again take another two triangles, that is APQ and PQC. From these triangles, area of this triangle APQ is equal to half base into this is base AQ and height will be P and S. For these triangles PQC, half base is equal to QC and height is equal to same P and S. So half P and S, half P and S cancel out. So this will be AQ by QC. But in triangle PQB and PQC, both area, this triangle's area of these triangles, area of these triangles and area of these triangles will be same, because they are lying on the same base PQ and same parallel BC. Therefore area of these two triangles same. From this, it says two areas is same. From this peak to area of these two triangles same, then you tell AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. So very important question, theorem. Okay.